Every day I usually get a message, either in my inbox through Facebook, could be an email, or just someone commenting below my YouTube videos. It's like, why should I join Save Club? Why should I look into it, being an affiliate? Because there's obviously 50 billion other online opportunities out there. Why should I maybe take a few days and do some research and, I don't know, look into those opportunities? Or since I'm stopped on your video, Cory, and I watched you for, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes talk about this Save Club, somehow I've got people's attention. Maybe I got your attention, but you're asking yourself, okay, it's $60 to be an affiliate with Save Club. It's $19.97 a month to be a member, because you have to be a member to be an affiliate. So if you want to join right now, your I guess investment is about $80 minus three little pennies. Not too bad. You're going to have a badass website, capture pages, funnels. God, we have so many free funnels right now. This is where you can pick a different web page to get people excited to look into Save Club to save money and to be an affiliate too and earn. But it's like, oh my God, I got a ton of funnels. All right, we have a customer support group that just kicks ass. It's just support@saveclub.com. Let all the technical crap and how do I join? Do you guys pay with Bitcoin? What's this? And tell me about that. Let support earn their money. That's what they do. What you do is get good at inviting people basically to the party. I equate it to like, hey, you know what? There's a party this Saturday. Would you like to go? Here's the invitation. Check it out. Guys, if you can just think of doing that, that's all you're going to do. Because if you do any more, you're going to mess it up. And what I mean by that is you're going to have a link. And that link is yours. And if people go to that link, watch a short video, and if they want to pre-enroll or join, or maybe just wait a week or two, get some nice emails and do some research, they're locked in. They're going to join your team, your group. And even if you're not a leader and you're new, you have no experience, when you have people sign up with you, you're going to have a support team. If you're in my group, I'm not only going to help you, but I'm going to help your downline 5 or 10 levels deep too. Because if they make money, you make money, and so do I. So my best interest is, it's a no-brainer. It's financial. Okay, let's just be honest. If I can help you make more money and it makes me make more money, doesn't that make sense that I really do want to help you? Because I really do. I don't have to bullcrap you. If I just wanted a normal job, like work 9 to 5, or maybe, I don't know, like a salary, I would just do that. But the fun of this business, there's kind of 2 or 3 things what I like about this. Number one, I can get up when I want and do what I want. Look how I want. Kind of have either a drink. Look, I either have a coffee that's going cold, or I got me an ice cold drink, which I just got, and I forgot that I had my coffee. So I have a coffee and a cold drink. It's funny. I can wear a Kiss shirt that I bought at Walmart for like $15. I like to work when I want. I like to go to bed when I'd like to. Sometimes I definitely like to just wear slippers when I work and don't have to dress up and deal with traffic and nonsense and employees that I don't like. And just to prove it, I wear a size 14. Look at those. They're not even that fancy. These are just like $10 slippers. And you can wear them outside too. I bought them at Walmart for like $10. And I can wear these all day. They're comfortable. I love Kiss. I mean, obviously you can see my things in the back, but just to have your own business for like $20 a month, you got to be a member. $60, yeah, you got to get your affiliate thing, boom, activated. You got a business. And it focuses on saving people money on things they're probably already buying, things that you're already buying, things that I'm already buying. All right. All I can do is tell my story, because I watch other people's videos about Save Club, and all I can do is just think, okay, well, this is their experience. But since you're on my YouTube channel, and I've made almost 500 videos about Save Club just in the last 23, 24 days, that's how many I can do. I'm a video whore bag. All right. I'm good at this video thing, but I'm a big believer in it. And every minute that I record like this, and it takes me about 10 to 20 minutes to upload it to YouTube and put on a crappy thumbnail that I make myself, I can't get that time back. But I know how to save money. I know how to get cash back. And yes, I'm using Save Club. I don't have to fake it to make it. I'm way too old for that. I'm almost 60. Okay? If I wanted to fake it to make it, I'd have a Lamborghini and I'd be on a beach house. Not mine, of course. I just see someone with a Lamborghini, maybe offer them $100 where I can kind of stand in front of it, and then I can find someone's $1 million house and say I'm living the laptop lifestyle in my big old mansion. Okay? And even if I had all that stuff, I'm not going to put it on a video. Because what if you come to my house and you want to hang out? Then you're going to eat all my snacks. And then I'll be bummed. And I like snacks. Do you like snacks? Me too. Do you like Scooby snacks? Anyway, getting up, dressing, drinking coffee, ice cold drinks, taking a nap, knowing that, my gosh, I think I'm going to make enough money today or this week or this month where I can 100% pay my bills. And I mean your mortgage on your house or rent, apartment or a rental house. I'm talking gas, diesel for your vehicles, maybe a little bit of extra money that you can buy a shirt, or maybe take your family out to dinner, or maybe do a birthday party for your kids. It's nice to know that if you have let's say you have tires that are worn out. That's my case. I had tires. I had to buy a bunch. And I hate when you have worn tires. It makes you look broke, and it makes you look like you don't take care of your vehicles. But I'm embarrassed when you're driving your vehicle, you're cleaning it and washing it, and then people look at your tires, and one's worn, the other one looks like there's a little bit of tread. Your back tires look like slicks. It's just, man, I hate that so much. And I hate buying tires. I mean, they're obviously, some are very expensive. But boy, if you can save money on tires and on vacation, if you do have some extra bucks saved up and you've been saving 6 months to, I don't know, go out of town, visit your grandma, or maybe take your kids to that theme park. But at my age now, I just like to know that I have savings, that if I do have a tooth break, if ear needs, I don't know, it falls off and I need to glue it on. Maybe I want a Camaro hat. You know, these things are like $20. These are like real high quality. I bought this at the Larry Miller Chevrolet. I love Camaros, and yeah, this orange kind of matched my orange logo of KISS, so I thought I'd wear an orange hat today. But it's nice to know that you have more than what it takes to break even each month. And, oh, God, that gives you peace of mind. But it freaks you out when you're doing it all online like this through Save Club. You're saving money, you're earning money, you're drinking a drink that's hot or cold, you're going to Walmart buying a KISS t-shirt, you get to your man cave or your extra bedroom, or maybe you do have an office, and you just go online and screw off a couple hours posting on social media, because no matter what, you're going to get good at one thing. And if you don't know how to make videos or pictures, guys, we have thousands. For that $60, you don't pay anything more. I'm going to invite you to the 2 biggest groups. We all screw off and share information. We take care of each other. We have tons of live training that's recorded. Just the company alone, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we do live Zoom meetings where our founder, Charles, gets a couple of his buddies together, and they talk about what's going on behind the scenes, how the website's improving. We have new merchandise. This is how many people are signing up. This is how many countries are now just kicking ass with Save Club. And guys, we're only 23 days old. All right, we're signing up thousands of people a day, but we hardly have any affiliates. And I'm not kidding. If you don't sign up, I'm going to sign up more people. I've already signed up 104 people, and I'm going to help them guys or you get 5 to 10 so I can make my group 500, 100, 200, 500, 600, 900. I don't even care. I sign up one at a time. But of course, I want my group to be as big as possible, and I want yours to be as big as possible, because if you make more money, so do I. And I'm concerned about your downline like 4 or 5 levels deep. Because with our comp plan, I can make money off someone that signed up underneath you, that signed up underneath them, that signed up underneath them. That's the beauty of a multi-level pay. We're not MLM. You don't have to buy products and keep your volume here, shampoo, conditioner, and you're not allowed to talk about the opportunity or they're going to fire you. I mean, it's all bullcrap. This is not traditional MLM, but we have a comp plan that pays like one, all based on inviting people to save money. There's nothing more complex than that. There's no scam. There's no bait and switch. There's not, and then there's more. And all of a sudden you join Save Club for $80, and all of a sudden you join for $580 because you did some kind of markup or upsell. The only thing I recommend is look into the funnel. I have a funnel that's saved up 70 people out of my 104. It's only $25. That's it. Everything else is built in. You're going to have the same tools and opportunity I do. If you want to do video, great. Watch my channel here and I don't know, work it out. Get a little webcam or talk in your cell phone, get a little light, and just say, hey guys, check out this opportunity. You can say that 5 to 10 seconds. Just make sure the link you get is posted in your email or your message or your inbox, or maybe you have a business card and you're going to write it on the back. Just make sure your link is accurate and let the videos and everything else take over. Let the funnel do what it does best. There's an autoresponder built in with Save Club. If you want to do autoresponding down the road, then take your time and learn it right. But if you don't know what an autoresponder is, or if you hate autoresponders like me, let the company do it. That's what I do. Honestly, the less you do, the more successful you're going to be. And I really do think that. Because if I sit here and do videos all day, you're going to think you're going to have to. And you don't. If you make it fun and simple and invite people to click your link, and there's a recorded video or videos, and right now we have 6 different pages you can choose. We have thousands of pictures and videos. All of them are neutral, where you can use any one of them and upload them any way you want. Just make sure your link to Save Club is accurate. Done. Oh, I don't know how to do video. Don't worry about it. We do. Oh, I'm not sure what to post. Don't worry about it. We have training on how to do every social media, from TikTok, Twitter, or X, whatever you want to call it. How do you do threads? How do you do short little videos on Facebook? How do you make a Facebook group appear on your screen and I can join? We have training. All you do is just click a button and watch. They're all little short videos, and they show you how to do exactly what you want to do. How much do we charge for that? It's $60. $60. Thousands of pictures, thousands of videos. You got 3 days of live Zooms, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that are recorded. We have an insane amount of training already recorded. Okay? We have 2 private Facebook groups that you can join, and there's always someone there live. So if you have some questions, get your little keyboard out. I'm just not being creepy with my fingers. I'm just like pretending I have my keyboard out. Type, hey, how do I do this? Or what do you recommend? I don't have experience, but I'm kind of nervous. Is there something that you recommend? There's always someone in there that's going to help you. People love to help. People like to save. Very friendly company, by the way. This is not crazy. This is not Bitcoin or some scammy thing. We have billion-dollar companies already participating. I think we have 60,000 businesses already. We're on par to do 2-3 million companies worldwide. Yes, China. Yes, Australia. Down below, what? Brazil's still down there. How about Iceland and Greenland and Canada? We're going to rock Malaysia, Portugal, everywhere UK goes. You bet. Give me a U, give me a K. We're going to go there. Hawaii, we're going to go in the middle of the ocean, work on our tans. How's that sound? Have some nice drinks. But we're going to save in every country, every city, and every state. We're just going to. It's just a time thing. We're only 23 days old. Thousands of people are signing up, but there's only a handful of affiliates. So do you have $60? Do you have $20 to pay for that membership? Let me break it down for you. Do you have $80? Because if you do, I'm going to hand you back 3 pennies. $79.97. And those 3 pennies, maybe I'll even wash them so they're shiny. Or do you want me to put little gum on it or something? I don't even like pennies. Aren't they bleh? I wish we'd get rid of them and just round up the next currency here in America to nickels. But yeah, $79.97, that's it. There's no hidden agenda. There's no, oh, this is a scam or some type of pyramid, Ponzi, blah, blah, blah. Billion-dollar companies like Walmart and Home Depot and SiriusXM and Delta Airlines, they don't do business with a bunch of fly-by-night, shiny ball, blech. We're going to have probably 5 to 10 million people that are going to join this company. And they're going to log into their My Deals tab and they're going to search. And if there's a deal to be had, awesome. And are you going to come back or quit if you're saving $50 to $100 a month if you're only spending $19.97? Everybody knows no. You're going to be a real good, happy customer of Save Club a good long time. Because your spending habits are probably similar on the little things like food, drink. You like water? I don't know. Do you like to go buy toilet paper at Walmart and wipe your butt? I mean, there's things that you do every day. But out of the blue, you're going to splurge either on a vacation or maybe just have to repair your car. We have so many repair services. It'd blow your mind. I did a video where I said, God, it'd take me probably 20 hours just to go through a handful of divisions of opportunities now, where the sky's the limit. Just go into the search. You can search for a business, a service, or a product you want, or just type in your zip code, and it'll show you a bunch of local businesses too that are mom and pop. They're Maybe your best friend owns it. Maybe you own it. You can submit your business. Most people don't even think of that. They're like, well, God, I own a business. Why don't I put my business inside Save Club so I can get new customers, give them a deal. Maybe they'll come back. And then me, I'll log in and save money on things I'm already buying. And since I'm an affiliate for that $60, I'm now earning money. It's kind of a win-win-win. I don't have to talk to anyone and beg them to shop and go spending things on food, water, and nonsense. Look at my walls. You know who wrote the book on buying nonsense? Me. It has a big picture of me. It's next to a Kiss lamp and a Hot Wheel collection that'll blow your mind. Even Farrah Fawcett Barbie. Every day I usually have someone going, I watched one of your videos. Is that a Farrah Fawcett Barbie from the 77 poster? Like, you're damn right. That's when Charlie's Angels was top of the charts on ratings and televisions on TV Guide. And you bet your butt, everybody needs a Barbie in their life. I just wanted the Farrah Fawcett one from the poster. So, all right. I don't know what else to say other than please just look into the opportunity. I'm going to show you both my links. I just want you to click them. I want to thank you for the last 16 minutes. Whenever I do a little longer video, I appreciate your time. All right. I think 15 minutes, I can kind of, tell you about what I've been experiencing, what kind of things I've been doing, what's coming, in the future with Save Club. But at the end of the day, if you just want to keep things simple and do what I'm about to do, I'm going to show you 2 links. I do too, because I have a funnel system for $25. I've signed up 70 some odd people with it. And then the official joinsaveclub.org. So if you want to officially join, keep it short and simple. Just go directly to joinsaveclub.org. You can see my email right there on the little card. Okay. And if you've already joined Save Club or not, maybe you're already in, doesn't matter. This funnel system's for everybody. It just over explains things, and it takes people by the hand and sits them down and says, let's just talk about Save Club for 20 minutes. Okay. You don't have to. Let the video do everything. And if you want to join the funnel system, I'm going to invite you to 2 of the biggest groups. We dominate the leaderboard. I want you in our groups. I want you to join a team. I don't want you to join a person. You can join me, but you know what? I belong to 2 massive groups, and I'm going to invite you to both of them. And that way, if you're up late at night or early in the morning, you can ask questions about marketing. I do an insane amount of video. I'm almost reached 500 videos with Save Club, and I've only been doing this barely 2 months. I love this. I have a good time, and I'll help you. Even if you're not in my group, get a hold of me. I'll make you a video, or if I can answer your question, awesome. And if not, we'll go to support@saveclub.com. And if you join my funnel system, hell, man, I'll give you thousands of people that dominate the leaderboard in this company. And you know what? They'll help you too. I only like to do business with people that will help each other, help people that aren't even in their downlines. It's just who I want to rub elbows with. I'm still a social person. Sometimes when you get older, you just want to be by yourself and yell at the TV in your underwear, but that's not me. And I totally understand if you're a little shy and have no experience. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You can sit at home or your apartment and just relax and do this business without talking to anybody. Use our videos, use our pictures, use everything that you can for that $60. And let's get you some signups. First 3 people pay 20 some odd bucks each every Friday. Let's get that $60 back. That's what I want to do. Then you can breathe a little bit and you feel good. And that's my commitment. But the Save Club, it's pretty amazing. I'm not embarrassed about this at all. This is an ingenious idea. I'm kind of jealous I didn't think of it. But yes, help people save money and then get people to join as an affiliate for only $60. Hell, can you imagine when there's 5 to 10 million people in this company? That's only years away. All right, get excited. If you're watching me now, I'm 23 days in. That's it. We're babies. We're pooping our pants in our little diapers. And yes, we're at Walmart in the Save Club. You can probably save some money on those little things that you wrap around your bum. Okay. Joinsaveclub.org. Join here. Or just go down and saveclubfunnels.com. That's how easy this can be. So, all right, I'm at the 20-minute mark. Guys, thanks for your time. Get a hold of me. Don't worry about it if you're not in my group. I don't care. I learn a lot from your questions. So Cory@CoryDraper.com. You got my links. I just froze on the fridge, froze on your screen. And other than that, subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, you kids, you kick some butt today and have a good day, okay? All right, we'll talk to you soon. Take care, guys.